Well, this morning, the fate of the most common form of abortion in the U.S. is in limbo.
A federal judge in Texas has put a hold on the FDA's approval of mifepristone, one of the two drugs used for medication abortions. No single judge has ever overruled the FDA on medication safety.
However, a judge in Washington state has ordered the FDA to keep access to the abortion pill. How does mifepristone work, and what could happen if women lose access to it?
It's one of two medications the FDA has approved to be taken together, one after another, for a medicated abortion. Mifepristone is a one-dose pill only approved for patients up to 10 weeks pregnant or 70 days. The drug impacts progesterone, a key hormone in menstruation and pregnancy. Progesterone helps the uterus grow during pregnancy and keeps it from having contractions.
Now, the second drug in this process is called misoprostol. It usually is taken 24 to 72 hours after mifepristone. The drug is also used to get rid of stomach ulcers for medicated abortion. Misoprostol is used to cause contractions and bleeding, which empty the uterus. If mifepristone isn't available, a patient could take multiple doses of misoprostol. The World Health Organization recommends it, but experts warn that misoprostol doesn't work as well alone. It has side effects, and taking more can make them worse.
As for safety, a 2022 Scripps News investigation found that for every 1 million patients who used the drug, 6.5 patients died. The death rate for penicillin is 4 times higher. Sunrise reporter Cordero McMurray is in the studio covering the latest developments.
Good morning, Cordero. Now, how is the White House reacting to this ruling?
Javier, good morning. The Biden administration says it's considering all legal options to ensure the abortion pill remains available. Now, for women, they still have access to the abortion medication, but if this judge's ruling holds up, the pills would be banned nationwide. 13 states, including Texas, already have bans in place. Some Democrats say the White House should simply ignore the judge's ruling and not enforce a ban. The Biden administration vows to put up a fight and is appealing the ruling. The issue could make its way to the Supreme Court after a federal judge in Washington state ruled to protect the drug in more than a dozen states.
For America's sake and for women's sake, we have to prevail in this.
I think it's important that we protect the sanctity of life. I believe in state rights.
And now the abortion pill will likely be available throughout the appeal process because of emergency requests by the Justice Department and the drug's manufacturer. The rival rulings could put the battle over reproductive rights back on a path to the Supreme Court. Cordero McMurray, Chris, 6 Sunrise.